FR1 Olay collection is a collection composed of 4 designs, and I'm going to take you through the designs and show you the spirit of this collection. What we wanted to do with Olay is to give you the capacity to use high quality shear, and especially bring into your scheme the usually expensive field coupe. So we wanted a collection which was aimed at being extremely affordable, using some of the most expensive techniques like field coupe. So the collection is composed, as mentioned, of 4 designs. The first one is called Odette, and Odette here is a typical plain shear with a very nice linen-y effect, so a very natural touch and feel to this shear collection, and has 13 colorways. The next series, and this is where the field coupe are coming, you will see now the extent of the designs, and so 2 geometric designs. So a more diagonal lozenge one with Odin, and then another geometric with a more diamond shape, which I will show you now, really showing this sort of like field coupe effect. So what we have done similarly to Lust, so with Osin and Odin, is to show the shear in a different way. So usually field coupes are shown so without sort of like showing the coupe side, so how the clipped yarns are made. And we wanted to sort of like keep the clipped yarn face as our reference to the shear itself. Why? Is because it's giving a lot more dimensionality. It's sort of like, it gives a relief which is much more interesting to the eye, and that's how we sort of like presenting and showing the collection. So we're using this little trick to really sort of like enhance the dimensional aspect of the geometric designs, those 2 geometric designs. And finally, and the last design is Orb, and Orb, you will see, has a very fine, natural, sort of like almost organic pattern inside. So again, a very intriguing collection. The aim was to make it affordable and therefore useful for budget schemes as well. So 4 designs, and Osin, Odin, and Orb, 5 colorways each. So all made together and placed together into this sample book. So again, inherently, permanently FR, meeting the most stringent world standard, washable at 71 degrees, 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
All FR1 fabrics are fully tested and certified under the Green Ecotex 100 standard. This means that FR1 fabrics are environmentally safe and are not harmful to human health, contain no prohibited substances or chemicals known to be harmful to humans. FR1 fabrics meet current environmental standards during all production process and are recyclable.
And one thing I haven't mentioned for all this collection and all this shear is our weighted selvage. And you can see here we are using a zinc band to really enhance the flow and the drop of the shear of your curtain. Now this, why is zinc and not lead? Because lead is poisonous and you need to recycle it in a very specific way. Zinc is a product that is totally recyclable. Well, it's a natural sort of like mineral, which you also find in your sort of like vitamin supplements. So there is no sort of like potential harm to humans using zinc instead of lead. So you will see the whole collection, and this is quite in evidence on our very how could I say, glamorous samples. And glamorous and luxurious in the way because we are really making sure that you can see every feeler of every quality in this collection along with the color palette. So a very interesting and affordable collection called Olay FR1.